What do you get when Versace meets Shibori? Well, you get this absolutely funky outfit. This is a business cash trouser with a blazer outfit, and I've paired it with a black Versace t-shirt style shirt. And of course, you cannot forget your accessories. So I have this really awesome tie-dye clutch purse. I have salmon pink heels and my Versace sunglasses. Check it out. Now be sure to check the links below so you can find out where you can pick up these items, especially these Versace sunglasses and my project of this DIY Versace outfit.
So I had this suit custom made with a special fabric that was inspired by Jacqueline Fernandez's business cash look, and I purchased some iron-on Versace patches, and I'll link all the links below of where you can find these items, and bam, here's my DIY Versace outfit.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.